Learning a second language helps children develop a better confidence, problem-solving skills, boosts memory and many more. But it can be a little tricky to teach English language to a non-English learner. This video will cover some handy tips. And patience is all what we need. So let's get started. Visual learning is the best stimulus for a child's brain. It's a great supportive learning skill. Combine text with images which will help a child develop better understanding. Keep sentences simple for the children to understand and develop their knowledge. For example, eat your breakfast. You want more? Please have your breakfast, and if you want more, let me know. Learning in just one way quickly leads to children becoming disinterested and disengaged. By using different formats for learning, like worksheets, games, or other similar activities, children will stay stimulated. Books are a great way for learners to develop their language skills. Using storybooks can allow children to use their imagination, picturing fascinating places and meeting people. This creates a sense of adventure and fun. This is one of the most beneficial ways for learning. The advantage of teaching English at home is that you can use everyday situations and real objects from around the house to practice the language naturally and in context. Talk about clothes when your child is getting dressed, or when you are sorting laundry. Teach food vocabulary when you are cooking or going shopping. Revise the vocabulary whenever you talk about something similar. Consider your child's interests and personality when deciding which topics to teach. You may like to start with some of these topics. Remember, the most important thing is to relax, have fun, and make learning English an enjoyable experience for both you and your child.